Fairy Families, it's me, Mrs. McNiff. I am going to invite you to a lesson today on some pink work, and we are going to be practicing the beginning sounds. That means the first sound in our 3-letter words. Please watch. It might be kind of hard to see, so I'm going to tell you what the pictures are. This first picture is a rolled rug. 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 This is a shark, and the arrow is pointing to the shark's fin. In. No. F. This is a ham. 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 Nope. Yep. Ham starts with H. This is, well, it's technically a peanut, but we're going to call it a nut. 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 This one here is a bag. B-egg. Bag. Bag. B. And this last one here is a jet. J. Jet. J or G. J. I have one more card that we can do together. This is a picture of a toy that you spin. It's called a top. Top. T. This is a picture of a hen. This hen looks like he's eating a taco. Hen. Let's see. Hen. H. We have these at school. They are called cots. Cot. Cot. C. The next picture is of the sun. Sun. S. This one is a mop. Mop. M. Our last picture looks like a box. 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 B. Thanks for practicing this pink work with me, everybody. We practiced the beginning sounds.